Have you been seeing people add their tweets to Instagram like this and wondering how on earth they did it? I was wondering this too, so I thought I would figure it out and then come back with a tutorial and show you how to do it. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few different ways that you can take your tweets and turn them into shareable Instagram posts. If you are new here, hi, I'm Louise. Here on this channel, I talk all about building an online business, and right now I'm doing a series all about content creation. So if those are two things that you are interested in, make sure that you hit subscribe down below. All right, so let's dive into how to do this. The very first way is to do it right from your phone. So I'm going to open up Twitter, then I'm going to go to my profile, and I'm going to look for a tweet that I want to turn into a post. Okay, so here's one that I like. So all you have to do is click on the tweet that you want to share. Okay, and then you're going to take a screenshot. I have an iPhone, so I'm just going to hold down this button and this button here and take a screenshot. Okay, great. So now we're gonna go into Photos and open that up. Then you're gonna hit Edit and crop right around the tweet area. So I'm gonna hit the crop button, and then I'm just narrowing in on this tweet. Okay, and you know, if your text doesn't go all the way across, you can also get rid of that arrow there. Okay, great. So I'm gonna hit Done. There we go. Now this is almost good to go. The problem is when you go to share an Instagram post, it's not going to center it because we don't have enough white space. So a quick hack for this is you can click on the plus sign and go as though you are going to create an Instagram story. So I'm going as though I'm going to create a story, then I'm going to swipe up, select my tweet there. I'm going to resize this. So I'm just bringing it down so that it's smaller and will look centered when I turn this into a post. Okay, awesome. So you're gonna hit the download button there. So now go back to your profile, click on the plus sign, and go to do a regular post. Awesome. As you can see, it now looks way different and you are ready to post it. Now, I also wanted to show you how to do this from your computer. So let's now go to Twitter on our computer. So all I would need to do is click on that tweet, and then I'm going to screenshot it. I'm on a Mac, so I'm going to hold down Command, Shift, and the number 4. If you're on a PC, you can use the print screen button on your keyboard. Okay, so I'm going to click, drag this on top of the section that I want to use. Great, so that's taken a screenshot. Now we can go into Canva. I feel like I'm using Canva for every single one of my videos. It's just that good. So you're going to go create a design, and then select Instagram post. If you don't see it, you can use the search bar right here. And then you're going to upload that tweet. So all you need to do is find that file, and you can actually just drag it right here on top of the canvas. So as you can see, that already looks great. By default, it's gonna center it for you already. And then you can resize if you want by pulling on the corners. Okay. So what's cool about this method is then you could brand it even more if you wanted to. So for example, I could choose, you know what, I'm gonna make it like this, but then I'm also going to add my brand color as a background, right? So it gives you a lot more flexibility in terms of how this will look. So I could do that. I could just add, you know, cute little elements around it. A few little sparkles. Right? You get the idea that there's a lot more that you could do here to make it on brand for your business. Now, another possibility is that you don't have Twitter for your business. So what do you do in that case? So what you could do is you could find a tweet from someone else. You could use this as an example, and you could simply recreate this setup here. So if you click on Elements and then scroll down to Frames, you'll see this circle icon right here, and it has like a cloud and some grass. You're gonna click on that, and you could resize it to match your example tweet. Okay, so I'm just gonna build this out on top of this. So I'm gonna change this to match the sizing here. Okay, close enough. Obviously, it doesn't have to be perfect. And what's cool about these is you'll see many variations. So many people are using different backgrounds, different styles of this concept. Okay, from here, you can go to Uploads, and you can find a photo of you, and then you can drag that photo in. Awesome. So all you have to do is drag it on top of it, and it will automatically take the shape of the circle. Then from here, you can add your text. So click on text and then add a little bit of body text. Okay, cool. So then you're going to resize this. Okay, so you're going to type your name. Okay, and then you're going to put your handle underneath, bold the top one. Okay, change the alignment to left. And the closest one I found is this one here, Helvetica-ish, because they don't have Helvetica New, which is what Twitter uses. So you could just use that and it will honestly look close enough. And then you're going to insert another text block. I'm just going to copy this one actually. Okay, and then you would type in your tweet, okay, and keep it off bold. So then you can move that down here, resize it to match the size of it, and then you can delete that bottom tweet. So then this gives you a custom template that you can work with to add in your tweets. So what I would do is get one looking exactly how you want, right? So maybe you want to resize it, center it, make this look a little bit better. I would create one template that you love, and then I would use this again and again, simply by coming up here and duplicating the page, right? So the next time you needed to do this, you would come in here and do your next tweet, okay? And then I would save it as, you know, tweet to Instagram template, for example. And that's it. Super simple to create these shareable tweet graphics. I hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't yet. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll talk to you soon.